Today I'm going to show you how to make a Lego fridge like this. Let me take it apart and then we can get started. Okay, you'll need a 4x4, a large door. Okay, put the large door right there. Grab two 1x3s, stick them together, and put it right there. Then grab two 2x1s, put them together, stick it right there. Then grab two 4x1s, then put them right there. Well, there's your fridge part. Now let's get kind of started on the freezer. Okay. Now you need a smaller door. Put that one right here. Same place as the fridge door. You need three 1x2s. Or, yeah, 1x2. Stick one right here. Grab one 1x1. Put it right there. Then grab another 2x1. Put it right there. Grab two 2x1s. Put one right there and one right there. Grab one 2x2 or 2x1. Sorry about that. And put another layer on it. There you go, you got a Lego fridge and freezer. Bye now.